Today I'm going to review some gel polish from a company called Pine. It comes with 9 different colors, a top coat, base coat, and a matte coat. Welcome back everyone, and let's get straight into this review. So here we go. Here are the instructions here. I always like to remind people to read your instructions. They're very different from product to product, and you just want to make sure you're being careful and safe. So they did send me some cute little Halloween stickers, which I was not expecting. So I'm very excited to show you guys this later on in the video. I'm going to do some designs on some nails, and you guys can see how these stickers look. So here are the gel bottles, and this is how the color gel bottles look. And on the top of the bottles, they're numbered and they are color coded for every different color. And this is the top coat. It came with a base coat, and it also came with a matte coat, which I was very excited about because I've never had a matte coat and I've never seen one before. So I'm very excited. I'm going to show you guys how that looks too. I'm going to be using my LKE nail lamp. I'll leave it down in the description for you guys. And here is the first color we're going to see. It's P165. And as you guys can see, it's a really bright orange. It's perfect for this season, for Halloween, for fall, and the consistency of this gel was really great as well. So I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds, which was the recommended between 60 and 90. And so it just depends on the wattage of your lamp, just how long it will take your polish to cure. But as you can see, this cured in just 60 seconds. So here's that first color for you guys. Next up is this yellow color, and like I said, if you're doing any Halloween designs, these colors would go perfectly. I could see this being used for the color of like a black cat's eye design. I think it will look really nice. This color is really vibrant and bright. And there's that final reveal for you guys. That's number P166. All right, so this color, you guys, oh my God. I loved it. It's like a copper, glittery, I don't know. It's just very iridescent looking, and it's just great. I mean, if you don't like gold or brown, then maybe you might not like this color, but I really love it. And right here, I'm just showing you guys the best way if you're using glitter polish to get that polish off of the brush and onto the nail. You would dab it like that, and then you would just go ahead and stroke it down towards the end of the nail, and that should give you the best result. So there's that final color right there. Oh, I love it. You guys, let me know which one of these were your favorites. I know some people really love the bright orange and the bright yellow, and some people are more partial to the glitters. Me, I love glitter and I love pinks, but you put glitter in almost anything and you got me, okay? All right, so this next color was also a very beautiful one, P168. I really like this color as well. So this one really looked like blood to me, and that's not bad because like I said, you can use these colors during this time, this season, especially for Halloween. You can see this just really bringing out a design, a blood design, making it drip with this color it would be amazing. And if you just like red, this is an amazing color. It reminds me of a rose. The next color we're going to look at is black, and while I do appreciate that they did put a black color in here because some of these sets don't have blacks and some of them don't have white colors either, I think those are 2 good colors to have in almost any gel set. But as you can see, this color was a bit transparent, so I did have to do 2 coats, but it came out very nice in the end. So here's that final reveal. All right, this next one, you guys, I really love this one as well. It's like a really bright fluorescent orange color. And this would also be good in a nice design for Halloween or whatever design you want to use it for. It's up to you. You know, do what you want to do. All right, so this one, oh, like I said, put glitter in something and I love it. And I really love this one. And as I was putting it on the swatch, just this consistency and the look of it reminded me of strawberry jam. I would say that's what that reminded me of. And there's that final look for you guys. So that's 172. So that means we only have one more left. And here is another sparkly one, blue, which besides pink is my favorite color. So how appropriate. We're going to save the best for last. So there's that consistency for you. And like I said, all these polish, they went on very smoothly. I didn't have any issues with them curing or anything like that. And there's that final and last color for you guys. Oh, it reminds me of like a night sky / ocean. Just beautiful. So now I'm going to show you guys the top coat, and I'm going to put them on 3 different colors. This orange, this yellow, and then a red. I always like to do the before and after look for the top coat. You guys let me know if you notice a big difference. I kind of noticed a really good difference there in this top coat. So it looks like a pretty good top coat to me. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to show you this matte top coat, and I'm very excited because this is my first time ever getting a matte top coat and using it. I'm going to put it on that black nail polish for you guys. All right, so we're gonna let that cure for 120 seconds. But in the meantime, I just wanna give a quick shout out, and you guys will see your names going up the screen there really fast. I just wanted to show a little recognition to my subscribers, my current ones, my new ones, the ones who have been there with me from the beginning, even though it's still the beginning. I just wanted to give you guys a quick shout out, let you know that I really appreciate you. So there's that final reveal of that matte top coat, and it came out really good, I have to say. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys these stickers. Oh, because I was so excited with these stickers. I was like, I have to show them some designs with them, and I was just excited to use them myself. So there are the instructions, but instead I'm just gonna use my tweezers to take them off because I can be a little clumpy with my hands. I don't know. It just seems like it would be easier to use tweezers. Just be careful because they're really sensitive and delicate, and you don't want to rip them with the tweezers. And then you just make sure you pat it down really hard and it sticks right on there. Isn't that cute? Oh. And so I'm just going to show you guys all the ones I did. So this is my little Halloween set, little art set here. I hope you guys like them. Okay, there are those original colors for you guys one more time before I head out from that company called Pine. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Go ahead and leave me a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet to Just Doing Nails. And I'll see you guys on my next review.